Our machaca is dried now, so our next step is we're going to throw it in the fire and then roast it for a little while. Now we're going to want to put it in the water and wash it off.
But you know, I heard are they doctors? Yeah, they're supposedly. Well, I don't know. I don't know them, but I. That's really good.
By cooking and pounding the meat, we can take a really tough piece of jerky and then turn it into something that we can chew on, and then we can cook this with some onions and tomatoes or beans or a lot of different alternatives, and make tacos or put it in a caldo or soup or something, and then they'll tend to be pretty salty, so sometimes we'll want to, if it's too salty, rinse it again and then get some more salt out of it. Depending on how much you like salt, I guess.